Thank you for watching my YouTube channel again this evening. I'm going to make Manipuri dish. It's called Iromba. Mayambo amuka hana krumzari. Numidang wayam sida ay Iromba kitang posto zarake. Mayam adum nungay na yembi. When to Iromba kasiyam dona may Manipuri dish jikadanya law enzel ro. Asida ngasigi mathen tawgudori basi Iromba tawgudori basi sida alu leire. Alu se ay hana loina ka chamaga thamabane. Adu cooker sida aigi alu se samaina tangkhai khaizarage. Tangkhai khairaga hapchalani. Adu gi matungda ase soibum je leire. Soibum je huji hapoi. Nato this yam sindoi ne aduna horen hapna na bagi oina thamjarage. Horen loiram daida put paloiram daida. I have already cut the potatoes and I washed it also before ahead, and I cut it. I put it this bamboo shoot. I'm going to put it later, so I will put this bamboo shoot aside. If I put early together, it will be kind of sour, very sour, so it won't be tasty. So I'll just keep it aside. Adugi matunga si yendem leire yendem si khoi gi ingon da hobane in nga sa hega loina bak chama ga thama bani yendem si ka aga dum samaina ka aga hapchalani. I'll just cut this yam. It's a kind of yam, not that itchy one. You can eat raw also. So I'll just cut it and put these two inside. Iromba ka semtur hi alu ka thak to a he tayan chan he dol chikhat ania Manipur lama chan he o alu tuk a hiar mi halo a hel point ai thai dol tui de mai ania he kakatanga chan kada vek don heden kada don ni chu adagi this the morok leire morok akangba angangba si sade machui khatane ngang na bagini aina hap ko dori bise asang bakhara le si ju machu manamga dum manam yam nung si hale ba tek pazina ade u morok se leire asi umo humne aduloin hapoi makatang hapke manam nung si manam haw manam zo dum nung siraga de haw zu yowe adagi ngari khara leire sis da ngari zu aina dum hapchalani. Here the dry red chili is here. It's not spicy. King chili is spicy. And green chili also not that spicy, but I'm not going to put all this. I'll put little. And then here, this is called ngari. It's a fermented fish. This will give more taste in the dish, Iromba. So I got a bowl here. I'll put this ngari inside the bowl, and then I think I'll put this king chili. And I'll put all this and little bit of this green chili for the smell. And then I'll put little water here. I'll just put little. I'm going to put this ngari inside. Okay, here another item. This is the water giant's fruit. We call it tangzing in Manipuri, and then I'm going to put here later on because this is quite matured. If it is little tender, I will put inside. It will be tasty, but I just can put it later when I'm going to mix. I'll put this tangzing inside and I'll mix it. But for now, I'm not going to boil it together. Sida mayan amamug leire asisi mayang ton ne mayang ba maton ay na ingon dagi heglak pa ne. Asana miyam nung sigadori bani hore Iromba da hapa Iromba loira kan da hapa dori bani asizna. This is kind of basil leaf. It's available in my garden. I went and plucked it, and this is onion leaf. After boiling this, I will take it out and let it cool for some time. Then I'll mix everything together. Later on, I'm going to put these two in that Iromba, so it will give nice smell and good taste of it. I'm not going to mix this right now. This evening I made Iromba and all the items are not available in Pune. Right now the things that I got here from my garden are basil leaf, that is mayang mamatol, and yendem, yam stem, and also onion leaf. And the rest that I put in the dish, I got it from a shop from Sangvi. Bamboo shoot. Ma, tangzing rosi ba? Aya. Tangzing. Sila ka malosi ka pa ba? Why not mulle? Asi ama da kaya no? Yang khay na taka. Yang khay da. Matra. Yeah. Le awan ka kay thong eh. Awan. Sorry. Mayo. And those items are tangzing, king chili, ngari, and bamboo shoot. And all these items, I'm gonna mix it together, put it together, and make iromba. Ay iromba si aluga, soybumga, yendemga mix tawzarage hozik. Glass in adam met saladong. Aseng badi yendemga soybumga ze tongana. Metlaga dagi thumne dagi ngari ne morok ne hana metladi henna hawdo ne habdi morok kai thum morok to yende manungda phajana changhaladi horen cham da haweba. Actually if I mix with this yendem and bamboo shoot with the ngari and all morok with the chili and ngari first, it will be more tasty because those salt and chili will go inside the yam stem. Then it will give a good taste. Iromba zi mazik met pa loire asigi aluga dagi yendem soybum se. This I finish smashing. It's done. Then this is chili, ngari, and then I'm going to put little salt here. This. Can you see this? I put dry chili and green chili and king chili and all that and ngari, and I'm going to mix it again. Smash it. Just smash it. See this? Okay. Actually, iromba and one fish fry really match when we eat food. But today there is no fish fry. Okay, this is done. Smashing is done. Now I'm going to mix the ngari, which I already smashed it. It's dry fish. And I'm going to put it here. Morok ne, tum ne, si loina bag mixed of saladaw ni. Ay gi kano zizu, asi. Si tangzing ne. Tangzing zai hap dong hizi. Tangzing zai hap sa lage. Met sa lesi pazana. Kitty. What happened? There is a kitty outside. I think she wants to eat the dry fish. Yare? Duga Auzik ay loizare aduna maroiga onion leaf ka kainoga mayang mamaton gazi hapchalani onion leaf hairadi tilau mana loi hapchalani aduga amukta mix tawsanani aktam chamasina. Let me just mix with this spoon together. It looks colorful. It smells so good. The basil leaf is so good. I can smell it. I know it's going to be tasty. Yes, that's it. Guys, thank you so much for watching this Iromba. I hope you can come and join with me. If not, next time. Ay Iromba later is the tax later, the gi mang mamatons later, seeking chili ni pazadre yango, cha daw ribani, kahaijan ba. Sani ay chang may pagito bani. Ay taksa dane. As nga sini Iromba ko tani as talle. Mushroom soup le ba do ay chaning de. How do it? Kana chani. I'm eating Iromba and this rice. Let me see how is it. It's so nice. It smells so good, especially the king chili smell. And what is that? Tangzi. It really smells so good. Very tasty. Yummy. It's so yummy. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. If you want to see similar content, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell.